Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will continue my discussion about some various professions that you may have chosen as your career, including how to become, their opportunities, salaries and much more. So today's discussion will be about how to become a cybersecurity engineer. As today's world becomes increasingly more dependent on the internet and mobile computing to accomplish so many of our everyday tasks, the issue of security becomes more urgent. As a result, this boosts the demand for more cybersecurity engineers. Cybersecurity is a fascinating branch of information technology and is ideal for people who enjoy a challenge. Cybersecurity engineer designs and implements secure network solutions designed to defend against hackers, cyber attacks, and other persistent threats. They also engage in testing and monitoring of those systems, continually making sure that all of these systems' defenses are up to date and working correctly. Often a cybersecurity engineer's position is called something else, like data security engineer, IT security engineer, or web security engineer. Furthermore, sometimes the role of a cybersecurity engineer is rolled into a different IT position, especially in smaller companies that can't afford a cybersecurity specialist. Now the question stands, what are the qualifications for becoming a cybersecurity engineer? In general, a cybersecurity engineer must have degree in computer science, IT, systems engineering or a similar field. 2 years of experience in cybersecurity related duties such as incident detection and response and forensics. Experience with the functionality, operation and maintenance of firewalls and various forms of endpoint security. Proficiency in languages or tools such as C++, Java, Node, Python, Ruby, Geo or PowerShell. The ability to work in a fast-paced environment, often under pressure. Possess the right eye for detail and outstanding problem-solving skills. Up-to-date knowledge of the latest cybersecurity trends and hacker tactics. So now let's talk about the career path. For starters, you should have a bachelor's degree in a field relating to cybersecurity. That includes computer engineering, computer programming, computer science, engineering, information security or software engineering to name a few. Once upon a time, companies didn't care if a candidate didn't have a degree, but an increasing number of organizations are adopting that requirement. So, step 1. Have your formal education squared away. Optionally, a cyber engineering candidate can then continue his or her education by earning a master's degree, once again focusing on the fields that closely relate to cybersecurity. That master's degree will be especially crucial if you want to become a senior cybersecurity engineer. Then, you should get some work experience under your belt. Conventional wisdom says that aspiring cybersecurity engineers should get 3 years of professional experience before making an official move. This figure can vary depending on the level and quality of your work experience that the prospective candidate has managed to accumulate. At last, there's the final step, certification. Certification does 2 things for you. First of all, it gives you additional skills and knowledge that will come in handy down the road. Secondly, it provides verifiable evidence to the hiring party that you are well trained for the position they are interviewing for. If you are looking for certification, there are many resources available to you, practically an embarrassment of riches. There are many different appropriate certifications that you can try for. There's no reason you can't go for more than one of them. The more tools you have at your disposal, the better your chances of getting the position you want. Among the certifications you should consider are CCNP or Cisco Certified Network Professional Security, CEH or Certified Ethical Hacker, CISA or Certified Information Systems Auditor, GISE or Web Application Penetration Tester, CISSP or Certified Information Systems Security Professional, and GSEC or GCIH or GCIS security certifications. Demand for cybersecurity engineers is projected to grow 12% between 2016 to 2026, which is a faster rate than that of the average for all other occupations, according to this Job Outlook report. The demand for cybersecurity engineers will continue to grow as business, governments, and other organizations rely more on digital platforms. The good news, according to Cybersecurity Ventures, is that there will be 3.5 million cybersecurity job openings by 2021. The bad news, at least from a business owner's perspective, is that there will be a corresponding widening skill gap regarding cybersecurity professionals. Countless companies are hiring cybersecurity engineers. The companies that lead the pack in cybersecurity professionals hiring are BAE Systems, Symantec, Checkpoint Software, Lockheed Martin, FireEye, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft, IBM, Cisco, and CyberArk Software. Cybersecurity engineer job and responsibilities come very close to those of a security analyst. A cybersecurity engineer designs and builds systems, while a security analyst is more concerned with putting the system through its paces, trying to break it. There is an overlap, however, since many cybersecurity engineers routinely conduct stress tests and attempt to predict the weak spots and test them out. It's not unusual to see job listings for a security engineer or analyst effectively rolling both positions into one. The roles and responsibilities of a cybersecurity engineer include evaluate the organization's security needs and establish best practices and standards accordingly. Designing, implementing, maintaining, overseeing, and upgrading all security measures needed to protect organizations' data, systems, and networks. Responding to all security branches to the network and associated systems. Troubleshooting all networks and security issues and incidents. Routinely conduct penetration testing. Taking appropriate security measures to ensure that the organization's infrastructure and existing data are kept safe. Conducting testing and scans to identify any vulnerabilities in the network and systems. Taking an active role in the change management process. Assist in any security breach investigations. Handling routine daily administrative tasks such as reporting and keeping open lines of communication with the organization's appropriate departments. The average cybersecurity engineer salary is around $74,000 a year, according to this article in Career Explorer. Senior level engineers earn an average of $96,000 annually, while beginners can look forward to $59,000 a year. Nice work if you can get it. In India, a cybersecurity engineer's salary averages Rs 5,25,652 a year, while a similar engineer in Australia earns $130,000 Australian dollars, and an engineer in the UK can make 47,926 euros annually. Of course, the above numbers can fluctuate depending on the demand in your particular part of the world. But regardless of the range, a cybersecurity engineer can earn some serious pay. So if you want to become a cybersecurity engineer, wishing you all the very best. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.